Coaches, in my last video, we talked about the barriers we face from achieving our dreams. In this video, we're gonna make things like super clear and very simple by narrowing it all down because there's actually only 3 barriers or weaknesses that we all face. And I mean all of us, right? It usually comes down to 3. Often, it's really only 1 or 2 of those 3 that's holding us back. So on this video, I'm showing you just a small glimpse of the training that you can learn inside the Movement Formula Challenge. It's a special training that I've put together. You can start the challenge for absolutely free right now at movementformula.com, but that invite, it's only good for the first 100 people who join. So with that, let's go ahead and get started in this video, okay? Cool. So the first barrier that a lot of us face is self-doubt. It's like this record in our head that's saying what it is that we can and cannot do. But history has proven otherwise by people who have actually made it. You've got examples like Madam C.J. Walker. She was a laundry washer and became the first female self-made millionaire. Or Andrew Carnegie, who was just a cotton factory worker who later sold his company for 400 million bucks, right? There was no internet access back then to information like we have right now that's available to us. Think how much more of the advantages that we actually have now compared to what it is that they had back then to get our messages out, right? What we need is just a commitment to keep moving forward. Are you committed to your mission of massive impact, right? I believe you are. So share in the comments if this is a barrier that you face, if self-doubt is something that holds you back. All right. The second barrier that we face is actually time. Thinking if we only had, quote, more of it is really a myth. Instead, use kind of that tortoise and the hare approach where slow and steady is what wins the race. Ask yourself how much time do you have and commit to a schedule. Make sure that it includes what I like to call sacred time, family time. That's the downtime away from work, but then follow your success schedule as best you can. We're all gonna have off days, all right? Just never let those off days be 2 days in a row. You feel me on that? Okay? All right, cool. So share in the comments if this is a barrier you face. Is time the barrier that you're always battling against? The third barrier that we actually face is money. Thinking if we had more of it, it would all just magically work out. Don't get me wrong here. Money does make things easier, but it's not a cure-all, okay? It just expands who we are and actually the problems that we have. I don't know if you ever heard of mo money, mo problems, right? The example of this is just like how most lottery winners, they actually go broke. Right? So remember that, chaos, if that's what's going on around us, outsource is only going to beget more chaos. So instead, we need to commit to a process and prove that the methods work first. Then we can start to look to outsource or find what should be removed or tweaked within our businesses, because as our impact grows, our cash flow will follow with that. Are you guys getting this? Is this cool? Share in the comments if this is a barrier that you face, if you think it's the money barrier. But remember, as coaches, we're passion-filled, purpose-driven entrepreneurs, and the money is simply a byproduct of the results that we deliver in the lives of others. Today, I want you to feel kind of like liberated out of this, that those 3 barriers or weaknesses, whether it was doubt, what that really means is we need to dive into continuing and being commitment to complete no matter what. Or if it's time, that means we need to find pockets of it and make a schedule to follow. Or if it's money, knowing that until we fully understand what we need to do and not do, it's really probably gonna hurt us. So I hope you guys enjoyed this free lesson. In my next video, it helps understand the meaning of being called to serve. It's one you really don't wanna miss. So let me ask you, why wait though? Okay, you can get full access to the Movement Formula Challenge for free today, right? This invite that I have here, it's not gonna be available forever. Together, let's build the movement that you're meant to lead. Isn't it time that we revolutionize how you do business so that people actually crave to do business with you? I would think so, right? Let's do this. You can sign up right now at movementformula.com. With that, thanks for watching, guys.